All right, so I recorded myself doing some Node code, very simple, basic example. But if you don't know, Node is a framework with Express that allows you to write backend code with JavaScript. And the cool thing about that is, if you know JavaScript for the front end, the syntax is exactly the same for the back end. And here, what you see is an Express. I pulled an Express and I defined the port, and the port is whenever you type in localhost, so it'll be on port 3000. So um, when I run this server, the home route will return hello world. And for the download route, I also wanted to highlight the fact that you could easily create files. One thing about the server, backend code, whether it's JavaScript, PHP, C#, they have tools that allow you to create files, read files. And what I'm doing, I'm just making an example of creating an example CSV file. And what happens here is you start the server with Node and then the file name. So the file name for this is expresstest.js, and all you have to do is type in Node Express Test. You don't need the .js. And then from there, you can go to the browser. That's what I'm doing here. I'm also experimenting with some streaming software, StreamYard. I never used it before, but I do want to get some more content out there. And yeah, I do like football, so that's why you see the Penn State Oregon score. But beside the fact, we're going to the home route, and here it is. It says hello world. And what we want to do from here is get that test CSV file that I hard coded in the server code. So I'm just going to travel to the download route, getting that GET request. And the GET request with CRUD applications, which is create, read, update, delete. GET corresponds to the read. So what you're doing, you are getting or retrieving something from the server, and in this case you are retrieving that sample CSV file that you hard coded and created. And with this being a simple example, it does make room for you to make it as complex as you would like. And something like this is actually quite common with everyday use. Let's say if you have anything that you in the database and you want to do like reports, daily reports, monthly reports, weekly reports, you can set up some sort of cron job that uses a route to create a spreadsheet, and then you can do so many things with it. With here, we're just downloading it, but in real life, you may want to send it to an email, or really just send it to an email, or you just have like a button on a web page, and you just want to have like a bunch of data there, and you just want to like download a CSV of it. This also gives you that option. But the fact is, you can do so many things with Node.js and Express, and I wanted to highlight the simplicity of it. And I hope you enjoy it.